Good day, students. Now we're going to look at the solution to number 13, the long answer, full solution question, part of your Chapter 7 sample quiz found in Book 3 of your ma1026 booklets. And this one reads, to find the height of a cellular tower, Khalid measured the length of the tower's shadow and got 56 meters. The shadow of a vertical meter stick was 1.6 meters. How tall is the cellular tower? Round your answer to the nearest meter. Now that's important. Nearest meter, of course, means what? No decimals, right? So our answer, we round it to the nearest whole number. So no decimals in your answer. Now, obviously this is a chapter on similar triangles. So we're going to draw a couple of triangles here. We're going to have a larger one. This will be our tower. Okay, and of course the shadow of the tower is along the ground here, so here's the shadow, and of course we join now, and this is going to be the shadow of Khalid. So here's shadow of the meter stick, right? And this, so we need another triangle over here. So basically what we have, two similar triangles. Now we're assuming a few things here, of course, that the measurements are taken at the exact same time of the sun. So, you know, the sun is over here, and the shadows on the ground right here and here will be at the same point of the sun, meaning those angles of elevation right here and here will be the same. Okay, so we're making that assumption. We're also assuming that there's right triangles in both of these, so the tower is straight up and the meter stick is straight up. Okay, so this angle equals that angle based on the shadows from the sun at the exact same time, and therefore the triangles are similar by angle similarity. Now the tower is over here. Let's call it T for tower. We don't know that length, right? But the shadow cast by the tower. Now remember, shadows are along the horizontal, so our shadows are along there, and that shadow from the tower is 56 meters. So Khalid measured this to be 56 meters. Now a vertical meter stick, so a vertical meaning straight up and down, this is the meter stick right here, right? This is the meter stick, and that meter stick has a length of 1 meter, right? A meter stick is equal to 1 meter, so this is simply 1. So a meter stick, right, we know has a length of 1 meter. Okay, now the shadow the meter stick casts is along the horizontal, and it casts a shadow of 1.6 meters here to here. So there's your setup, and once you have that, of course, and that's going to be worth marks, so make sure you draw a nice clear diagram so you get awarded some marks for that. So corresponding side over corresponding side, so T is to 1, as this side corresponds to this side, as 56 is to, right, T is to 1, as 56 is to 1.6. So there's the proper proportion. Cross multiplying will give you 1.6 T equals 56. And then of course you divide each side by 1.6 to isolate the T, solving for T. Divide each side by 1.6, and we'll go to our calculator now. 56 divided by 1.6 leaves me with 35. Of course, that's exact. We don't have to worry about any decimals because it came out to a whole number anyway. Now again, it's a word problem. Give a word answer. Okay, so you should write something like this at the end. The height of the tower, right, is 35 meters. Okay, so there's the complete solution for number 13.